Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 19th of July 2020. Let's have imbibe one more feature of Manmohini Didi ji. Didi ji always said that Almighty Baba himself is our companion. Didi always lived in their self-respect and respected everyone wholeheartedly. If someone did his service timely, truthfully, she would have given him the same amount of respect. Used to give special gifts, Didi's heart has highly responsiveness towards the true service holder of the yagna. Avyaktvani revised 25th February 1986. Avyakt Babdada's elevated versions on the surrender ceremony of 50th double foreign brothers and sisters in Madhuban. If there is any type of circumstances in your Laukik or Alaukik relationships, if there are very strong storm of thoughts in your mind, in spite of those, you belong to the one Father and none other. Success is the garland around your neck. This determination is the basis of success. No matter what happens, you have to fulfill the responsibility of your relationship. You have to achieve success by always fulfilling the responsibility of love for God. If even one relationship is missing, there would be fluctuation. This is why you tied the string of all relationships. By having these determined thoughts, you receive a special lift in your future efforts. This method specially increases your zeal and enthusiasm. For the Father, all of you are special souls. The Father doesn't see some as ordinary and others as special. All are special. Brahmins have spread into all religions. There isn't a religion that Brahmins have not reached. They are now emerging from all religions and come here. You dadis are the special decoration of the family. If the decoration were not there, there wouldn't be any beauty. So everyone looks at you with that love. To be double light means to stabilize in the form of the light of the soul and to then automatically become light. To be double light means constantly to experience the flying stage. Surrender yourself with your intellect. If you surrender with your intellect, there won't be anything else in the intellect. Double light means not being burdened even by your nature or sanskars. Not to have any burden even of your waste thoughts is called lightness. If you have to make the slightest effort to have yoga, there must definitely be some burden on you. So, take the support of Baba, and continue to fly. Give all souls of the world rays of light and might and spread waves of cooperation with your good wishes and pure feelings. The way to fly in this vehicle is to follow, but that has refined, elevated directions. Blessing, may you become a multi-millionaire who accumulates in your account of charity by knowing the importance of every second and every thought. You charitable souls have such a special power in your thoughts, you can make the impossible possible. For instance, nowadays, using special equipments, they are able to make things grow in the desert and flower grow on the mountains. In the same way, with your elevated thoughts, you are able to make souls who have no hope become hopeful. The power of your thoughts is so elevated that even one thought can make you a multimillionaire. Simply know the value of every second and every thought and use every second and third with that awareness and accumulate in your account of charity. Slogan: perform every act with the faith and intoxication of one who has all rights and all labor will finish. Om Shanti.